Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download UFL football game on your PC. So first thing you need to do is come to Google website and then search Steam. After this, open this first website and then click where it say install Steam. After you download it and install it, it will look like this. I am on my web version, but the application version will be same as this. So this is a marketplace for games where you can install and download various games and play them. So to download UFL, simply use this search feature, search UFL, and as you can see, it is here. Simply click on it, and once this game is released, you can download it by clicking here download button. But as it now it is not available, it going to release in some days. So in while you can add this game to your wish list. Whenever this game will release, you will get notification and you can simply download it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like this video.